how much of your wedding budget should be spent on photography. Hiya, I'm Georgia McGilly from Georgia-Beth Photography. Welcome back to my channel. And in these 2-minute answer videos, I'm going to be answering just basic wedding planning questions in under 2 minutes. So first of all, you need to decide how much of your wedding you want to capture. Do you want to be capturing the groomsmen and the bridesmaids all getting ready at the same time? Do you want to have the photographer there right at the end as you leave on your exit off to your honeymoon? Or do you just want to capture certain parts within the day? If you want to be able to capture both sides of the bridal party getting ready, and they're both at different destinations, they're getting ready and preparing for the wedding at different places, then you will need a second shooter. And also, if you're planning on having a bit of a photo station later on in the evening, you might also need a second shooter for that. Do you want to have an album included, or maybe even gift albums for your parents or grandparents? All of these sorts of questions are going to answer sort of how much of your budget you want to put towards your photography. On average, most people spend about 15% of their budget on photography and videography. So this again depends on how much of the day that you want them to cover and whether you are going to have a videographer or not. If we plan to kind of split it 50-50 and 15% of your budget is being spent on the photographer and the videographer, say your wedding cost about £30,000, then that would mean you've got £2,250 left to pay for your photographer. So hopefully that answers your question. If you want to see all the details of my photography, how much it costs, all that sort of thing, go ahead and click the link in the description to see my website, or go ahead and just contact me on social media if you have any more questions. So I hope you really enjoyed that 2-minute answer. I will be doing so many more questions and answers on this channel over the months to come. So go ahead and make sure you hit subscribe and hit like, and go ahead and share this video if you found it useful. I'll speak to you soon.